Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust Stanley and this is TS Tech Talks video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to add money on your Instagram account just in case you want to promote your video or you want to promote a post on your Instagram in order to reach more people and to get more followers on your Instagram. This is just how to do that. Now go ahead and swipe up. You can notice where it says Instagram. Click on the Instagram icon, and then in order to put money in your Instagram account, you can notice your profile icon on the bottom right there. Go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, it brings you to your profile area. Now you need to click on the menu icon on the top right. So on the bottom area, you are going to notice where it says settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And next, you can notice where it says businesses. Go ahead and click on that. Now on top of it, you are going to notice where it says promotion payment. Go ahead and click on promotion payment. So right before I made this video, you can notice I have a prepaid balance of 1000 naira. So the reason why I have that money is because I added a fund into the account in order to test this tutorial if it works. So in order for you to add more money to this account, all you need to do is to click on add funds. So once you choose add funds, there are several options right here. You can use the Facebook ad credit, but I don't have any Facebook ad credit. And you can use the first option for prepaid or credit card. But if you're in Nigeria, make sure you make use of the local cards because you're in Nigeria. So once you select this local cards option, which is actually currently selected for my payment option, it actually works for every Nigerian. So if you are a Nigerian and you want to make use of payment option, make use of the local cards. But if you're in US, you can make use of any payment option. And then do not forget that the first option right here actually allows you to enter the exact amount that you want to fund. So again, I'm going to select 1000 naira. So once you select the amount you want to put in and then click on add funds, so it's going to load for a while and then navigate you to the page where you have to enter your payment options, which is actually your card and the detail you are making the payment with. It's going to take a while to load, but after that it loads up. Now all you need to do is to add your card number right here, add expiring code, your first name on the card and your CVV on the card, and it doesn't require anything from that. Once you're done entering all these details, just go ahead and click on pay. So once you click on pay, it displays if you're successful, and I've already done this and it was successful for me. It displays you the next page and then shows you a pending, and then it clicks on successful. So once it displays successful, it's going to take a while to update on your account anyway. It doesn't update immediately. So it actually took an hour 30 minutes before this prepaid balance was able to update. So it's going to take a while for it to update, and you just need to wait for a while for it to update. Once it updates, you can start running ads on Instagram. And on my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to run ads on your Instagram. Just on this video, I only want to show you guys how to add funds on your Instagram business account. So on the next video guys, make sure you say subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please share with your friends if they are in need of this video. See you on my next video. Peace.